This is how Morocco's high-performance football jerseys are manufactured inside a modern textile factory.
Everything begins with raw polyester pellets, prepared for transformation into durable performance sports fibers. These polyester pellets are melted at high temperature and transferred to a large vessel. Molten polyester passes through microscopic holes, forming countless ultra-thin synthetic fibers with incredible precision. These fibers are stretched for strength before being spun into strong yarn, ready in drawing machine for textile production. Every day, thousands of yarn cones are produced, supplying factories with continuous manufacturing materials worldwide. Advanced knitting machines interlock yarn into breathable, lightweight fabric built for demanding football performance every match. These white jersey fabric entered into jet dyeing machine, then emerged into dye-create Morocco jersey red color fabric. Designers create every detail digitally before production begins, ensuring precision from concept to finished jersey. Every jersey follows a detailed technical package containing graphics, measurements, fabrics, and branding instructions precisely.
Engineers grade each pattern to guarantee identical proportions across every available jersey size perfectly.
Complete artwork is arranged into one master layout before high-resolution printing officially begins today. Specialized printers reproduce brilliant colors using ecological inks designed specifically for sublimation manufacturing processes. Extreme heat transforms ink into gas, permanently bonding vibrant graphics directly inside the polyester fibers. Because colors become part of the fabric, they never peel, crack, or easily fade with use. Printed fabric now advances toward precision cutting, preparing every individual jersey component accurately for assembly. Computer-controlled cutters produce identical pieces rapidly while minimizing waste throughout large-scale manufacturing operations. Laser cutting seals fabric edges instantly, preventing fraying and improving long-term durability during repeated wear. Individual fabric sections are sorted carefully before experienced operators begin assembling every football jersey together. Flat lock stitching creates smooth seams that reduce irritation and maximize comfort throughout competitive football matches.
Overlock stitching strengthens every seam, increasing durability while preventing unraveling after countless intense games played.
Signature collars and trims are carefully attached, giving the Morocco jersey its distinctive finishing appearance. Official logos and national crests are positioned precisely according to strict technical manufacturing specifications always. Neck taping and labels improve comfort while providing essential product care information for every customer. Assembly is complete, but every jersey must still pass rigorous quality inspections before approval today. Specialists inspect every design for color accuracy, stains, printing defects, and perfect graphic alignment carefully. Every measurement is verified against official specifications to guarantee consistent sizing across every production batch. Strength tests ensure seams and fabrics withstand demanding movements during professional football competition every season. Approved jerseys receive final pressing for a flawless appearance before packaging and worldwide distribution begins. Each jersey is folded carefully, packaged professionally, and prepared for shipment to stores across the globe.
Finished products are organized efficiently before leaving the factory through international logistics and distribution networks.
From factory floors to football fans everywhere, every jersey completes an incredible manufacturing journey with precision. Precision engineering, advanced technology, and skilled craftsmanship create every Morocco football jersey worn with national pride.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.